Hey folks, simplythick John here. I'd love to show you how to make food that complies with the standards of the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative. Today, we wanted to show you how to make turkey for Thanksgiving. So all I'm going to do is cut up my store-bought turkey here, and I'm just going to put it in the food processor. And making minced and moist is actually quite easy with the food processor, because the food processor seems to be made for this. So we do that for a few seconds. We want to scrape it a little bit, make sure that those big chunks are not stuck underneath the blade. And then you can see real quickly here, it just processes down to a very nice minced texture. So we take this and we just put it in the processor bowl, or I mean into a mixing bowl here. And you can see it is minced. It's got the right consistency, but it's not moist. And so that's where our extremely thick stock comes in here, which we've prepared separately. And we just add some. How much? It's kind of an eyeball thing. It's going to depend on how much meat you have, how moist it is that day, which particular brand you bought. So it's really just kind of a, I don't want to say art, but you know, it is just checking to see what you have and how it's working. This might need just a little bit more. Not a big deal. And then once we get it well mixed and incorporated, you can see right away it's starting to behave much more like that minced and moist texture we're looking for. And so then we want to check it, take out our fork. You can see nothing's dripping. You can see it goes through the tines of the fork. And if we take out our spoon, it will come off the spoon very easily. So when it comes to serving something like this, I always think that appearance matters. So we've developed this handled food form that allows us to make it look like a piece of fowl, like a piece of, it could be a chicken breast or a turkey breast. We spray it with our release spray, and then we just scoop it in here. Really quick, nice and simple. And the idea here is to just make it look a little more appealing, because people eat more when the food looks better than just a big plop and drop that you'll find in nursing homes a lot of times, which is why we developed this handled food form. And you can see that just plates out really nicely. Looks like your turkey breast, and then you can put the gravy right over it. So there you have it, folks. Please like and follow for more great tips on preparing food that complies with the International Dysphagia Diet Standardization Initiative.